A true friend helps you do the right thing.
真正的朋友帮助你做对的事。
One day, a little bunny made a new friend named Little Monkey.
有一天，小兔子交到一个新朋友，叫做小猴子。
One day, a little bunny made a new friend named Little Monkey. At first, Little Monkey seemed fun and loved adventures.
一开始，小猴子看起来很好玩，也很爱冒险。
At first, Little Monkey seemed fun and loved adventures. The little bunny felt happy to have a friend to play with.
小兔子觉得有朋友一起玩真开心。
The little bunny felt happy to have a friend to play with. They ran around the forest together every day.
他们每天在森林里跑来跑去。
They ran around the forest together every day. Everything looked bright and wonderful.
一切看起来都很美好。
Everything looked bright and wonderful. But one day, Little Monkey whispered to the little bunny.
可是有一天，小猴子悄悄对小兔子说
But one day, Little Monkey whispered to the little bunny. Let's hide someone else's carrots. It will be exciting.
我们偷偷把别人的胡萝卜藏起来，很刺激吧。
Let's hide someone else's carrots. It will be exciting. The little bunny felt a bit uncomfortable inside.
小兔子听了，心里有点不舒服。
The little bunny felt a bit uncomfortable inside. He knew that doing this was not right.
他知道这样做不太好。
He knew that doing this was not right, but he only smiled and said nothing.
但他只是笑了笑，没有回答。
But he only smiled and said nothing. After a while, Little Monkey spoke again.
过了一会儿，小猴子又说
After a while, Little Monkey spoke again. The grown-ups are not here. Let's sneak out to play.
大人不在，我们溜出去玩，没人会知道。
The grown-ups are not here. Let's sneak out to play. This time, the little bunny felt even more uneasy.
这一次，小兔子更加不安了。
This time, the little bunny felt even more uneasy. He clearly knew this was wrong.
他清楚知道这样做是错的。
He clearly knew this was wrong. The little bunny stopped and thought carefully.
小兔子停下来，认真想了一下。
The little bunny stopped and thought carefully. He took a deep breath and gathered his courage.
他深吸一口气，鼓起勇气说
He took a deep breath and gathered his courage. I don't want to do that.
我不想这样做。
I don't want to do that. Little monkey rolled his eyes and said.
小猴子翻了个白眼说
Little monkey rolled his eyes and said. You are really boring.
你真的很无聊耶。
You are really boring. The little bunny felt a little sad.
小兔子听了，心里有点难过。
The little bunny felt a little sad. But he did not follow Little Monkey.
但他没有跟着小猴子走。
But he did not follow Little Monkey. The little bunny prayed to God, asking him to help his heart feel less sad.
小兔子向神祷告，请他帮助自己的心不要那么难过。
The little bunny prayed to God, asking him to help his heart feel less sad. He turned around to find other animals to play with.
他转身去找其他小动物一起玩。
He turned around to find other animals to play with. Little deer and little bear shared snacks and laughed with him.
小鹿和小熊和他一起分享点心，聊得很开心。
Little deer and little bear shared snacks and laughed with him. He learned an important lesson. True friends never force you to do things that make you feel uneasy.
他学到一件重要的事：真正的朋友不会逼你做让你不安心的事。
He learned an important lesson. True friends never force you to do things that make you feel uneasy.